Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a background in Canva using the free version of Canva. So yeah, you heard that right. With the free version of Canva, you can actually remove the background from your images. So to do that, you just need to go to the app and search for Background Eraser, and this will appear. Then go to the background eraser and just choose your file. And I'll select this one and simply remove the background. Wait and watch how I've managed to remove the background using the free version of Canva. So as you can see, I'm on the free version right now. So yeah, look at how I removed the image background. In a similar way, you can remove as many as you want. Maybe I will choose another, but in this way, you can easily remove the background of any image you want in Canva with the free version. Yes, the free version of Canva can remove your background. So yeah, that's a simple method for removing the background of any image in Canva with the free version, without any subscription. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about this video or Canva, comment below. I'll answer all your questions and see you in the next video.